Ayurvedic home remedy for dry cough. Let's accept that there is nothing more annoying than a dry cough in the winter season. A persistent dry cough can not only irritate your throat passage but can also hamper your daily functioning. A dry cough is not always due to change in season. Environmental allergen, pollutant or toxin can also irritate your air passage. In most of the cases, people take over-the-counter medicines and steam for some relief, but some natural home treatments can also reduce the frequency of coughing and can soothe your sore throat. Before knowing to prepare the dry cough remedy, please subscribe to our Green Info channel and click the bell icon to get notification for all our videos. Ayurvedic home remedy. As per Ayurveda, basil tea may be of great help in providing relief from dry cough. Basil is traditionally used in numerous Ayurvedic medicines. It helps to boost immunity and has antiseptic and analgesic properties. Basil leaves also provide relief from allergic bronchitis, asthma, and other lung diseases. Drinking basil tea daily, especially during winter season, can prevent dark circles, acne, rashes, and other skin problems. Apart from this, basil is also rich in nutrients such as vitamin K, which can protect organs and tissues against chemical and physical stress. How to make tulsi tea. Ingredients: 7 to 10 basil leaves, 2 to 3 cloves, 2 to 3 pods of cardamom, 300 to 500 milliliters of water, honey. Preparation: add water in a pan and put it on high flame. Now add basil leaves, cloves and cardamom pods in it and let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes. Now remove the pan from the flame and strain the tea in a cup. At last, add honey to this tea for flavor. Drink this basil tea and comment your results below. Like and share this video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.